What's up everyone, the Blue XB back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about vacuums. This is my Eureka Mighty Mite. I've had it forever. It's about 25 years old. And surprisingly, I've never changed the bag in it. So today we're going to be changing the bag. So I bought these bags off of Amazon. They're kind of a generic. They were, I think, $7 for a 3-pack. So pretty good deal. This is a Style C. This vacuum is from the mid-90s. So this is what it looks like. The other side looks the same, the cord coils up on the bottom, and then it's got this hose right here, which is very easy to take off. So first thing you want to do is depress this, twist, and then it comes right out. And then to actually open up the vacuum, all you do is that, and then that's where the hose connects, and that's your bag. So here's what a new bag looks like. It's got the cardboard front, same as this one that's in there now. And then when you flip it over, it's got instructions on the back. Pretty easy. And then you can unfold it. And then that's what it looks like. Style C. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it. So I've set my vacuum right side up. It's got a little stand on the back to make it a little easier to get the bag out. All you wanna do is pull it out like this. Be careful, sometimes it's a little heavy. And then that's it. It's out. So now you can go ahead and unfold your bag. Make sure it's kind of open up like that. Then you can place it inside your vacuum. Just make sure it goes down like that. And that it fits in there. And that your cardboard sits inside of this lip. So you can see it sits flush in there. And then that's it. This is for when you change the bag, you can cover it up like that and put it directly in your trash can. Now we can close it back up. Set it down. Reattach our hose. And that's it. The bag has been changed. Thanks for watching.